Hi everyone, it's me, Renee, otherwise known as Winter Rose 84 here on YouTube. Hi. So it's been a while. I'm a little out of practice. It's taken me a couple of times to try to record this with everything going on, but I am just going to stick with it. So at the moment, my washing machine's going, I finished work for the day, I had a shower, and I thought, let's just do it. So, hi. There has been a lot that's happened since you last saw me, here at least on YouTube. I am more active on Instagram, so if you're interested in catching up and seeing how I am, or just interested in following me there, please feel free to do so if you want. I'm fairly active, and I guess I can give you some updates as well about things that are happening on there. But I guess just hi. Where to start? I'm out of practice, so apologies. And I'm going to say a lot, and I'm going to try not to. A lot's changed. I've changed. I've gotten older, as evidenced by that little fella there as well. But I haven't changed that much. I still enjoy beauty related things, nail polish, obviously, fragrances is a big thing. I've discovered nail wraps, that's some of them up there. I'm not so much into makeup though anymore. I just don't really tend to wear a lot of makeup. I keep it minimal, and I haven't purchased new makeup for a while now. I just want to try to get through what I've got, and threw out a whole heap of stuff not that long ago. A couple of times actually. So, hi. I've really wanted to sit down and film, and there's been a few things where I got things ready to film and something happened. Life, I guess, just got in the way, whether it be work or family or my health or just anything in general. It just didn't seem to happen. And so I thought, I have a moment now, and yes, I've just gotten out of the shower and my hair's all puffy and the washing machine's going and the dogs are here and my neighbour's mowing the lawn, but I'm just going to do it and say hello. Since the last time you saw me, yeah, a lot has changed. A lot's changed for everybody, I'm sure. And I guess not to dwell too much on the negative things, I'll give you an update of how I'm going and my ideas and my thoughts, and let me know what you think. If you do have any questions though that aren't covered in here, please feel free to leave them below and I will respond back to you and let you know the answer if I can. But yeah, a lot of you have reached out to me through the time where I've been off YouTube, sometimes through Instagram, through comments there, sometimes their emails or just direct messages, and that's been really lovely. And that, I do miss that. That's part of it that I do miss, is interacting with you all. And it was nice to get those messages and just people checking in and making sure that everything's okay and how I'm going and what's happening. But it wasn't as regular as it used to be. And I don't think it ever will be as regular as it used to be, because I've changed and my life has changed. But I still want to try to make time every now and then when I can. It might not look the same, because I'm not the same. I'm not the same person as I was. At the core of it, yeah, I am. But a few things have changed. Sorry, I'm so out of practice. I did receive messages of people just checking up on me to make sure everything was okay, which was really, really genuinely sweet and lovely of you all to do. Even just to think of me in times like that, it actually meant a lot, and it made me miss this and filming and speaking with you, even though, yeah, right now it's just a camera, but for this video there's somebody at the other end of it watching it, and if I can make them smile or have a good day, that also makes me feel better as well. or just a chat, just some form of escape from everything that's happening. I guess a really general update. I'm okay. I've been better, but I've been worse, and I've been through a lot. My family's been through a lot. Everything, you know, so many things have changed and happened. Some of you will know more details. If you follow me on Instagram, I do post occasionally on there about things like that as well, or I'll comment and let you all know. But yeah, we've had some tough times. You know, work, family, health. More recently, my husband had been in hospital, emergency, and he's doing okay. But the last 2 and 3 months have been really hard and stressful, and yeah. Yeah, apart from that, what else is happening? Yes, I've discovered nail wraps. I don't have any on at the moment. Typical. But they're up there. If any of you are interested in those types of things, let me know. I'm still into tea. I enjoy tea quite a lot. And nail polish, I still enjoy it, but I don't tend to paint my nails as often. Toenails, yes, but feet are weird. So that's that. I'm still really into fragrances. The types of ideas that I had as far as, oh, and gardening is a new thing that I picked up, which I'm sure a lot of people picked up in the last year. The types of things that I was thinking about is things like tea reviews, different types of tea, or still fragrances. Not that long ago I picked up some Glass House fragrance perfumes, which are just over there. And I was thinking about trying them out, doing reviews, or like the Winter Roses noses. That's a throwback. Things like that, just a quick update video or a quick review about something. It doesn't have to be in depth. It's just trying to set more realistic expectations, I guess, of, or for myself, about myself, and still trying to do the things that I love, but not expect so much all the time. And it's hard, particularly for me. But I'm getting there. What else? There's so many things. I am growing out my hair as far as colour. I got it growing out my hair, but I cut off like 6 and a bit inches the other day. My hair was getting really long again, so I cut it. This is the shortest it's been in a couple of years. But April, I think last year, 2020, I started just letting my hair grow, and the first couple of months were hard, but you can see the greys are coming through, and I don't mind. I'm okay with that. I've been going grey since I was a teenager, and it just got to the point where I was just sick of having to dye my hair every 3 or 4 weeks, because let's be honest, who has time for that? I guess you can kind of see it more in this section. It's about, it's hard to tell. It's about down to there, so it's grown about that much. And yeah, it's all floofy and sort of wavy because it's just air drying at the moment. But if you're interested about my experience with transitioning to grey, let me know. There's been so many other little things that I guess if I think of anything, maybe I will just pop on and say hi and make another video like this. But I was thinking about trying to get into just little videos here and there, whether it be taking you out with me if I'm going somewhere, which is very rare these days, maybe to a local picnic spot or something like that, in the garden here. Even if it's things just like reviews on fragrances that I have, or nail wraps, just these little things that come up. I also bought a kettle last year from like to boil water in, and it's temperature controlled, but I was looking for reviews on it and I couldn't find any review videos to show me features of this particular kettle. So I've been trying it out. I know enough about it now, and I was thinking about just doing a review on the kettle because I couldn't find one when I was looking for one. But yeah, so I guess that's probably enough for now. And the next step is going to be trying to remember how to edit my videos. Feel free to leave any comments below if you've got questions or recommendations or suggestions on things that you might want to see. Even if you've got lots of questions, leave them below and I might be able to do a question and answer video. Follow me on Instagram if you're wanting to see me more regularly. I've actually for a couple of months been doing like a photo a day challenge. So I try to keep up with that, and that's where I'm most active on social media is my Instagram. I very rarely use Facebook these days, and YouTube I will try and see how I go. But I really do thank you all for watching and for reaching out and saying hi and keeping in contact with me. I've been thinking about you all, and I have missed you, and I've missed being able to speak with you all, but I really do hope that you've been well and hope that you are still doing well. And I guess I'll speak with you in the comments, and I will see you next time. I probably missed something, but I'm sorry. It's okay. We'll see what happens next. But yeah, I hope you're all well and you all have a fantastic day, and I will speak with you again soon. Bye.